Hi everybody, I'm Mackenzie Fraser, Senior Vice President at EVR Advertising, and I'm here today to talk to you about 3 AI tools that you and your sales and marketing teams can begin implementing today. The 3 tools we're going to talk about are ChatGPT, Adobe Firefly, and Alli AI. AI has been around for a really long time, but really in the past year with the release of ChatGPT in November of 22, it's really picked up steam. And now's the time for you and your teams to start embracing this technology to make your approach to your work more effective and more efficient. ChatGPT is an AI program that generates dialogue. How this works is you input into ChatGPT a series of prompts in what you're looking for, and then it spits out to you some copy to get started with your project. You can use ChatGPT to get started with content calendars, blogs, website copy, social media posts. You can even use it to get started with text ads for your Google search ad campaigns. ChatGPT is a great tool just to get started with ideas if you're feeling stuck on a certain topic, and it gives you a place to start with so that you can build momentum from there. Adobe Firefly is an AI integration for Photoshop that you can use to automate the process of editing your images. You can use this tool to create more white space in your photos so that they better fit with your campaign planning. You can also use it to manipulate photos for social calendars or the website. You might take existing photos that you have of residents or of your community and say, add more holiday decor to this photo or change the color of this resident's shirt to purple. Alli AI is an SEO integration tool that syncs up with the backend of your website to help you make SEO updates and recommendations in real time. It integrates very nicely with a number of CMS systems and allows you to automate the SEO process by making recommendations for keywords and content that you should put on your website. To recap, 3 AI tools that you can get started with today: ChatGPT for your content needs, Adobe Firefly for your creative needs, and Alli AI for your SEO needs. Friendly reminder that AI is not a replacement for the human touch. It's simply there to help you be more effective and more efficient with how you're approaching your marketing efforts. For more details on any of the AI tools we talked about today, you can go to evradvertising.com and read my blog about how to use AI to unlock innovation as a part of your marketing strategy.